everyone, today I'm gonna show you set number 76144. But before we start with that, I just want to say hand sanitize your hands and wash them. And don't forget to play with your Lego. And please like and subscribe to my video. Thank you very much. Now today we're looking at the Avengers Hulk helicopter rescue. First off, we're gonna show you paper parts. She has some nice leg printing and arm printing, and she has also these blasts and also the studs underneath her legs. This is how her face looks. This is how her other face looks, and this is how she looks with her hair. And this is how Black Widow looks. She looks very nice and with the avengers suit. This is her first face, and this is her second face. Then we have Hulk, also in the avengers suit. He's very big and strong with big muscles. And one thing I forgot is to show paper parts with her like jetpack type of thingy. It has very good printing and it's very cool. Then here is the first Atari in the set with a dragon. His mouth can open and his wings can also move. Then his tail can also move. Here's the second Atari with like a type of jet. And you can also shoot some studs. Then we have the Infinity Gauntlet. I'll show you the Infinity Stones in a sec. These are the Infinity Stones. The Space Stone, the Soul Stone, the Reality Stone, and the Mind Stone. Peace out for Vision. Then we have the biggest part in the set, the helicopter. It can spin his propellers very fast. Then it can also shoot some studs. And can also lift the wings. And open this like shield thing, glass window. Then this is the back of it. It's very big. Then here's a chest with some studs in. And this is the whole helicopter. You can also put Hulk in here with his legs here. And then you can press him out that he fall through. Thanks for watching my channel and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.